28 seconds in the race. That's your top six. Well, this is great stuff from Noel Roddy. And John Hayes has done it all to perfection. He hasn't put a wheel wrong. He's starting up on, he's got away. But I said he's looking at his mirror going, oh no, it's the yellow helmet. It's Noel Roddy behind me. Noel showed yesterday what he could do, and he's shown us again today. One little mistake, it's been way back, but he's showing us the second place. John, is there any chance he can catch the leader in this one? Depends on those lap times. The race distance now is 2 minutes and 20 to go. Just want to mention those three cars that just flashed by us down at the first corner. Jeff Pashy, Derek Watling and Derek Smith. A good old battle for 8, 9 and 10. Sorry John, big grip from Noel Roddy, but he's closer again. Here they go. 10 laps completed in 2.9 seconds. Noel Roddy with the head bent forward, and there were 2.3 seconds. 15, 3, 2, 3 again, fastest up for Noel Roddy. And Hayes Harlow dipped into the 15. There's nothing he can do with it. Charging in second place. He's going to make Williams mistake for the leader. They're absolutely together now, John. Heading for this again. Roddy's right with him. He did have a chance of winning the Dublin Grand Prix here. The Irishman, incredible performance from him. Yeah, I was just about to say that Eric Holt is right behind the front two as well. So any mistakes from the front two, well, Holt will be in a position to get 5 minutes and 30 to go. So it's getting closer all the time, and Hayes Harlow made that mistake in front. Noel Roddy finding the consistent laps after that spin. My word, he's making a race of it. This is incredible stuff, and Noel Roddy putting the pressure on Matty getting ready there with the last lap board. Hang on a minute, Matty. Not so fast. Noel Roddy, this is incredible performance. I mean, Anne Stevens over there jumping up and down. This is incredible stuff. Last lap board being prepared now. They're coming round. We're looking for them coming by the ordnance survey. Who's going to be leading? Roddy's right with them. They're together now. This is going to be a grandstand finish. Roddy there on the brakes. He's sideways again. He almost goes round. No, Roddy absolutely grips the car onto the main straight. That gets the leader away just a little bit, but Roddy has got the hand in the air. No, he hasn't. He's just slow onto the main straight. That sideways moment, Johnny, had to back out of it, I think. Again, quickest lap of the race, Johnson or Roddy. You can see the gap. It's 0.8 of the time they boarded to go past us. And that gap is about 5 or 6 car lengths. And is it opening up just a little bit, I think. That's a video I don't think Roddy can talk it up. There's a problem, I think, for Noel Roddy. There is the